We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. And now we're excited to share the great news with you. Take a look. And as much as we know how much effort we put into giving everyone a first-class experience, hearing about them firsthand pushes us to do better. It means so much to us that people take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.